Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be doing fine inside your home. It's this pandemic that is putting pressure on the entire globe. So, the life is at stake. We may say disturbed fully. Disturbance is seen at every nook and corner of the world, and J&K is never an exception. Here, death rate as well as the infection rate is increasing. Still, no medication is possible, or vaccination is possible. The better is to follow the precautionary measures that are being issued by the state machinery and health department to save ourselves from this deadly infection. Because life is the precious gift of God, and we have to see ourselves first and then give preference to the other things that are essential to life. Dear students, your examinations are approaching fast. The board has already issued a notification regarding the examination of 10th class and 11th and 12th, and we are submitting the examinations form for class 10th, 11th and 12th. The process, it is the same. Submission is under process. Dear students, you can defeat it, COVID-19 infection, and also can crack the examination if you remain stick to the books at in your home. Or in home confinement, you can benefit yourself in dual ways. One, you will defeat the COVID-19 infection, and secondly, you will get prepared for the coming examinations that shall be taken by the board in the month of October or November, or whatever the government has in mind. Dear students, today we are dealing with very important topic, that's articles in English. Sometimes we say article is a word that is used with a noun. Article is a word that is used with a noun to specify the grammatical definiteness of the noun. Article is a word that is used with a noun to specify grammatical definiteness of the noun. In certain languages, it is it is extending to volume or numerical scope. Dear students, they are determiners. We met or we have three types of articles in English language, that is a and the. Yeah, we have three articles. That means we have three articles, a, and the. A, and are indefinite articles, and the is the definite article. Technically, these are adjectives but used as articles in English. Now, the usage is important. This not definition of article is not important. This usage is asked in board examinations, how they are used, how they are placed before a noun. Dear students, let's talk today about a and an indefinite article. A indicates one, and also indicates one, and there is when they are placed before a noun, they never show definiteness, because they are indefinite articles. So when they are placed before a noun, we often call it is not a definite noun. That is why it has been placed before a noun. Let's talk about a. A indicates one, and it is used before those countable nouns which begin with consonant sound. It is used with those consonant countable nouns begin with consonant sound. For example, countable is in your school is chair, a chair. Boy is countable in your school, a boy, a girl. But these are the common nouns. You can't find an article with the proper noun. For example, my name is Mohideen. You can't write the Mohideen or a Mohideen. So the proper nouns hardly takes an article, but there are some exceptions. We will discuss it later on. So a is used before a countable noun. Use countable noun begin with consonant sound. For example, a chair, a boy, a dog, a cat, a cup. And sometimes, in exceptions, we may say when it don't look as a countable thing, but actually it is countable. For example, sometimes we say don't tell a lie. So lies means there are a man can tell many lies. Many lies means without numerical value. Two, 4, 5, 6. We can't say this. So if a person is telling a single lie, that means don't tell a lie. So you have to keep in mind these are used with the countable nouns begin with the consonant sound. And is also used before an adjective, that is the positive degree of an adjective. For example, I am a good teacher. I am a good teacher. Good is adjective and positive degree of adjective. It is used before it. Take another example. He is a clever boy. A clever boy. It is placed before an adjective. Before an adjective when degree of adjective is positive. Now talking about the n. N is used with those countable nouns which begin with vowel sounds. For example, this is an apple. An apple. It is beginning with the vowel sound. For example, he is an honest man. An honest man. Because it begins with vowel sound. Dear students, a very twisted topic in English language. In a video of 6 or 7 minutes, you can't learn these things. You have to see definitely on the available grammar books. It is now 7 minutes video. It is now 7 minutes, turning 7 minutes. I can't upload it well in the time for you. So, dear students, I am closing today. In next chapter, we will discuss the rest things about the articles. But remember, an article is a word that is used with noun to specify grammatical definiteness of the noun. Or we can say sometimes these are determiners placed before the noun to show the definiteness. And some they are technically what? They are technically adjectives but used as articles in English language. For example, when I say the book, when I say a book, this restricts the application of a noun. Or we can see it gives information about the noun. Here it serves as an adjective. So technically they are adjectives but used as articles in English. But my last message to you is to see these things on the available grammar books. I am not English teacher at all. I am show learning task to teach you in English because of non-availability of English teacher. But remain inside your homes, stick to the book so that you can crack the coming examination with a different, also can defeat the COVID-19 infection. Thanks. Be balanced.